Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. I am your science teacher of class 5 from Ismailia Youth Services School. Before starting the class, I am giving some important instruction. Listen carefully. Don't disturb the participant and the teacher during the class. If you have any questions or the difficulty, use chat box. I am with you. In the last 10 minutes, I will give the answer your question in chat box. Use hand-free if you are using the mobile and use headphone for the computer use. Feed your ID and password properly. Take care of time for attending the class. If there is any disconnectivity during the lecture due to the power breakdown, you are not supposed to leave the meeting. You should join the meeting again. Now, today I will teach you the unit number 5. Unit number 5, digestion, that is present in your science book on page number 23. And I'm sure my all smart students have their science book and science copy. Now the students, you will learn the new scientific terms in this unit, and that is the what are the new scientific terms we have learned in this chapter. The first is nutrient. What is nutrient? Esophagus, glands, pancreas, liver, hydrochloric acid, stomach, saliva, digestion. What are the new scientific terms in this unit? Nutrient, esophagus, glands, pancreas, liver, hydrochloric acid, stomach, saliva, and digestion. Now, before we start our unit digestion, we do the one activity. And what is this activity? See these pictures and choose your favorite food. What is your feeling when you see your favorite food? Like the biryani, wow, shashlik tikka, oh, and the sea kebab, korma, cake, your favorite cake, pizza, sandwiches, and the spaghettis. Tell me, students, is your mouth watering when you see your favorite food in this picture? What do you think? We eat without chewing. These foods we eat without chewing, and where food is goes when we eat. Actually, these questions come in mind when we choose our favorite food, when we eat our favorite food. Okay, why we need food? And we will find all these answers in this unit. The name is digestion. Before starting the journey of the food, means the digestion, first we have to know about the nutrient. So, what is a nutrient? The nutrient is a food containing the many useful substances called the nutrient. What is the definition of the nutrient? The food contains many useful substances called nutrient, which our body need. What is it this means? The useful substance included the different components of the food like the protein, carbohydrates, and the fats, vitamins, minerals, fibers, and the water. Nutrients are the substance. These are all the nutrients. The nutrients are the substance found in the food that are the essential for the life. And nutrition is the process by which our body obtain energy to sustain the life. So, as a clear, my dear students, the what is the nutrient? Food contain many useful substances that is called a nutrient. Okay, what is the importance of the nutrient? Nutrient give us the energy to work and play. Because the students, all living things are busy in the one activity or the another. Food is taken in and digest. This digest food is converted into the energy. Just as the car needs fuels to move, our body needs to energy to grow and helps to our body remain healthy by the fighting disease. So this is a nutrient is very important for our body because it gives us the energy to work and play. Okay, is it clear, my dear student, what is nutrient and why we need to nutrient? Okay, now move to the next slide. In this slide, we discuss about the our food usually take the 24 to 33 hours to complete the digestion. It means that but it is the depending on the types of the quantity of the food. It means when you are having today's lunch, our digestive system is still working on the lunch that we ate the body before. Okay, so our food usually take the 24 to 33 hours to complete the digestion in our body. Now it's time to discuss about the why do we need to digest food? Because the digestion is important for breaking down the food in the nutrients, which, which the body uses for the energy, growth, and cell repair. Food and the drink must be changed into the smaller particles of the nutrient before the blood absorbs them and carries them throughout the body. So, this is the answer. Why do we need to digest food? Food cannot go straight to the cell in the different parts of the body. It has to be broken down into the substances which can be absorbed by the cell. Many organs of our body work together to achieve this goal. And these organs together make up the digestive system. Is it clear, students? Why do we need to digest food? Because food cannot go straight to the cells in the different parts of the body, and the many organs of the body work together to digest the food. And these organs make up the digestive system. Now it's time to define the definition of the digestion. So what is the digestion? Digestion, digestion is the breakdown of the food into the simpler form that can be absorbed by the blood. The digestion is the process which convert the food into the simpler substances which can be absorbed by the blood and send the waste product out the body. And what is digestive system? The system of the organ that are involved in digestion of food. You can see the digestive system, the many organs are involved in this system and these all organs make up the digestive system. In through this organ, the food is breakdown and it's changed into the simpler form and absorbed by the blood through this all the organ. The process, the digestion is the breakdown of the food into the simpler form that can be absorbed by the blood and the system that are involved in the digestion of food is called the digestive system. So student, this is the definition of the digestion and this is the definition of the digestive system. Now move to the next slide. What are the organs involved in the digestive system? What are the organs involved in the digestive system? First, you see all the organs. First is the mouth. The second organ is esophagus. The third is liver. And the fourth is stomach, and this is the is large intestine, and this is the small intestine. These all organs are involved in digestive system. The first is mouth, second is esophagus, then the stomach, then the small intestine and the large intestine. The liver is a the organ that are there indirectly involved in the digestive system. But the main organ that's are involved in the digestive system, that is the mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, and large intestine. Now, ready to the one activity. Okay, students, what are the digestive process? Can you visit? Do you visit any factory? So let's ready for the one factory. Our body just like a factory. You can see on your screen, this is just like a factory. Our body is just like a factory. So here the different organs work like the machine. In this factory, the first machine is mouth. What happened here? The food goes and cut into the small pieces and send it pipeline shaped machine called the esophagus, which is connected to the third machine, stomach. You can see that stomach on your screen. That is like a grinder and a mixer. It crushed the food and sent it to the long and thin pipeline called the small intestine, which absorbed the nutrient and sent these products to the next machine, that is large intestine. Yes. Now, that is the first is the mouth. The second journey is the esophagus and the stomach, then the small intestine and the large intestine. So this is the activity just like the our body, just like the factory, and our body just like all organs works like the machine. Now we will learn individually each organ which are involved digestion process. The digestion begins into the mouth. What happened in the mouth? We chew the food with our teeth and break it down into the small pieces. Then it mixes with the liquid. It's called the saliva, and it is produced by the salivary glands. You can see in the screen where is the saliva is produced. The saliva is produced into the salivary glands. Here are the salivary glands and the lower jaw. Here are the salivary glands are present. So then it mixed with the liquid in our mouth, which comes from the salivary gland. The saliva turns food into the paste. It's come out the food soft and wet. Our tongue, our tongue helps to mix the food with the saliva. It pushes the food. It pushes the food to the throat. So what happened in the mouth? The food entered in the mouth. Teeth cut, tear, crush, and grind food. The salivary glands produce in the mouth, which helps to moist and soften the food and start the digestion of the starch. The tongue, the tongue helps to mix the food and pushes the food into the throat. What happened in the next organ? In our throat, there are the two tubes. One is for the air and the other is for the food. When we swallow the when we swallow the food, it goes into the food pipe. Where is the food pipe? It is called a food pipe. and it is called a esophagus. What is the esophagus? Esophagus is the muscular tube that connect the mouth to the stomach. That connect the mouth and the stomach. So it is the tube that connect the mouth and the stomach and move the food by the relaxing and squeezing. Is it clear, my dear students? So the food pipe pushes the food down into the stomach. Now the next organ is, wow, what is this? It is the sac, bag or the pouch-like structure. What happened is here. It is called the stomach, and what happened are here? Here is the physical and the chemical digestion of food take place. In the stomach, the physical and the chemical digestion of food take place. Stomach releases some digestive juices and acid that is called the hydrochloric acid. Here are the hydrochloric acid and some the digestive juices released by the stomach. Now, the next organ is small intestine. When the food is soft like the porch, it goes into the long, thin, quiet tube called the small intestine. It is a muscular tube where the digestion of food is completed. It is long, narrow, muscular tube. Here some more digestive juices added into the food. These juices come from the pancreas, liver, and gallbladder. These juices make the food softer and simpler. The wall of the small intestine is very thin and covered with a finger-like projection called villi. Each villi contains the blood capillaries. The nutrients are absorbed by the villi and transferred to the blood capillaries. So, what is the small intestine? The muscular tube where the digestion of food is completed. The digestion of the food is completed, and the small intestine along with three more organs, which are the pancreas, liver, and the gallbladder, further break down the food and make them softer and simpler. Here, the food gets absorbed into the blood. Okay. Oh, what is this? Our intestine is about 6 meters long. Students, how amazing is that? In our body, our intestine is about 6 meters long. Wow, amazing. Now the next organ is the large intestine. And what is the large intestine? And what happened in the large intestine? What happened in the large intestine? It is also the a muscular tube through of which the waste food is sent to the rectum for the removal for the body. Such waste matter is the flushed out of the body by an opening called anus. So the food is here, the water is absorbed from the waste and the solid part is sent out of the body through the opening. It's called the anus. These all are the organs that are involved in the digestive system. The other organ are which are working together with the digestive system. What is this? The first is called a kidney. The kidney, what is the kidney? The kidney is present in the pair in our body. It is bee-like structure. It helps to remove waste material and excess water from the body. Okay, students, you can see the organ kidney on the page number 24. The kidney is, I repeat, the function of the kidney. It helps to remove the waste material and the excess water from the body. The second organ is a pancreas. The pancreas lies between the stomach and first part of the small intestine, and it is the large gland which produces the digestive juices called pancreatic juice. What what are the pancreas secrete? The pancreatic juice. Okay. Now the third organ is called liver. The liver is a large reddish brown gland located to the stomach. Bile juice produced by the liver and is transported to the gallbladder, and the bile stored in the gallbladder is added to the food in the small intestine. So these all are the organs which are engaged to the digestive system and the process of the digestion. Okay, now this is the process of the digestion, and the system is the digestive system. Now, I repeat the journey of the digestive system. The journey of the food start from the mouth. Food is chewed, break down, mixed with the saliva and swallowed. Okay. Now the second is food comes into the food pipe. The muscles of the esophagus squeeze and they relax to the food and push to the food down in the stomach. What happened in the stomach? The, the food is squeeze the food and make it very soft by mixing the different juices. The different juices, the digestive juices, and the hydrochloric acid kill the harmful bacteria. Now, what happened in the next organ? In the small intestine, here the more juices are added and the food is broken down more. Now the food can be used by the body. And which type of the juices added? The pancreatic juices and the bile. Okay. Now in fifth, the waste food goes into the large intestine and water from the food is absorbed here. And at the last, solid waste passes through the anus. So, my dear student, this is the process of digestive system. Okay, now get ready for the homework. Are you ready? Uh, hope you all are have got it. Okay, my dear students. Today, what we have learned? We have learned about the definition of the digestive system and the identification of all organs that make up the digestive system and their function. The process of digestion with the help of the diagram. Okay, the definition of the digestive system. I repeat the slide. Okay, I repeat the slide. What is the digestive system? The digestive system is, what is the digestion? The breakdown of the food into the simpler form that can be absorbed by the blood. And what is the digestive system? The system of the organ that are involved in the digestion of food. And what are the organs that are involved in the digestive system? These are the mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, and the large intestine. And now move to the homework slide. Yes, this is your homework. Book exercise is do exercise A and B in book page number 25 with blue ink pen. You must do the exercise A and B in page number 25 with blue ink pen. And what is the exercise of A and B? The exercise A is fill in the blanks using the correct words from the box. These all are the fill in the blanks and the options are given on the top of the blanks. And the B is the MCQs. There are the 7 MCQs are present in your book on the page number 25. You should fill these MCQs and fill in the blanks with blue ink pen. And what is the copy word? The copy word is do exercise. Answer the following question from the page number 26 in copy. Do exercise C. Answer the following question from the page number 26 in copy. And the other question is define nutrient and digestion. You only the definition, you write down the definition of the nutrient and the definition of the digestion into the one or the two lines. Diagram question is draw a neat diagram of the digestive system and label its four parts. You can see the diagram on the page number 24. You can easily draw the diagram from the page number 24. Okay. Now, this is the question which are present in your book. Why do we need to digest food? See page number 23. What happened to the food in the esophagus, stomach, and small intestine? See the answer, page number 23 and 24. How does saliva helps in process of digestion? The answer is present in the page number 23. The question number 4 is, what is the function of the kidney? The answer is also present in the page number 24. And the question number 5, where does the small intestine get digestive juices from? And the answer is, a small intestine get digestive juices from the liver, pancreas, and the gallbladder. You can take the screenshot of the slides. Okay, now it is a pre-reading task for the next class. Read unit number 11, matter, and underline the new scientific term. Our new chapter we will teach on the tomorrow, unit number 11, matter, and I hope all the students underline the new scientific terms from this unit. Okay, now I repeat the homework. Do exercise A and B, page number 25. Do exercise C, answer the following question and define the nutrient and the digestion. And this answer is present on the page number 23 and you can also take the help from these slides. Okay. Now the diagram question, I hope you can draw the diagram with the pencil and labeling should be on the right side with the help of the pencil, and don't use the blue or the black, any type of the pointer in the copy. Okay. Now thank you so much all of you, and I hope you all have got it my lecture.